Some 500 vehicles in Metro Manila were subjected to free emission testing today as part of the DNR's National Check Your Car Day. The details from Ara Perez.
Are your car's battery, oil, and gas in check? Do you want to keep your car from being a smoke belcher? Worry not, as the Department of Environment and Natural Resources has launched the country's first national Check Your Car Day, so you can have your vehicle checked for air-polluting emissions and garner regular maintenance tips.
Kung po pwede piliting matupad ang instruction ng Pangulo, ang sabi niya, by 2016, pipilitin natin, kung po pwede, pipilitin natin yung ating hangin na nilalanghap, especially sa Metro Manila, ay pumasok sa international standard.
More than 100 total suspended particulates have been recorded in Metro Manila, higher than the 90 normal TSP model.
Napakagandang objective po niyan, subalit hindi po yan trabaho lamang para sa atin, kundi trabaho ng bawat pamamayang Pilipino. Hindi po pwedeng tayo lamang dahil itong trabahong ito ay hindi kaya kahit ninuman, kundi kaya ng sambayanan.
500 cars have also been given free emission testings, both old and new models. The Coalition on Clean Air also joined DENR in its efforts to curb pollution and encourage car users to switch to more environment-friendly mechanisms. DENR Secretary Ramon Paje said the worsening traffic situation in the country also contributes to air pollution.
Subalit ngayon, nagpa-plateau sa 125. Ang sama niyan kasi baka hindi na gumalaw doon. So there are so many things that we have to do to make sure that it will go down. One is we are proposing to retrofit the fuel by 2015.
Meanwhile, the Department of Health said pollution poses higher risk of incurring respiratory diseases like asthma and heart failure.